Hi students, welcome to the next session. In previous session in exercise 7.2 we discussed up to question number 9. Now we will start from question number 10. In question number 10, evaluate integral 1 by x minus root x dx. Okay. In this denominator, root x common. This x can be written as root x into root x. So if you take one root x common, one more root x is present here, minus 1 dx. Now let root x minus 1 is equal to t. Substitution method. Differentiate with respect to x. Root x derivative is 1 by 2 root x minus constant derivative is 0 dx is equal to dt. Send it to that side, right side. 1 by root x dx is equal to 2 dt. Verify this 1 by root x dx is there in the question or not. 1 by root x dx. Okay. Now integral 1 by root x minus 1 is nothing but t. 1 by root x dx is nothing but 2 dt. 2 constant you write outside. 1 by t. What is the formula for integration of 1 by x? Log mod x. So 2 into log mod t plus c. Finally substitute t value. That is nothing but 2 log mod t value is what? Root x minus 1 plus c. Next, 11th question. Evaluate integral x by under root of x plus 4 dx. X by under root of x plus 4 dx. See, in this question, already we discussed, if root is given, you take the value which is present in root is t square. Now that implies I can write t is equal to root of x plus 4, or you can write x is equal to t square minus 4. Differentiate with respect to x. X derivative 1, constant derivative 0 dx is equal to t square derivative 2t dt. Now here dx is equal to 2t dt. Substitute this condition in given question. Then the question I means given integral equals to x means what? T square minus 4 by under root of x plus 4 is nothing but t square. Dx is nothing but 2t dt. Okay. Now I equals to integral t square minus 4 by here square and root gets cancelled, t remaining into 2t dt. Again t and t gets cancelled. So 2 is constant, you write outside. 2 into integral t square minus 4 dt. Now integrate separately. I equals to 2 into t square, it is in the form of x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, that is t power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. K integration kx. Similarly 4 integration 4t plus c. In place of t, what I can write? T square equals to x plus 4, t equals to root x plus 4. Root means power 1 by 2. That's why I equals to 2 into x plus 4 whole power 1 by 2 whole cube, that is nothing but 3 by 2 minus 3 by 3 minus 4 into t means root x plus 4 plus c is a correct answer. Next, 12th, evaluate integral x cube minus 1 whole power 1 by 3 into x power 5 dx. Okay. Now this question I can write integral x cube minus 1 whole power 1 by 3 into this x power 5, I can write x cube into x square dx. Let x cube minus 1 is equal to t. From this we can write x cube is equal to t plus 1. Differentiate with respect to x. X cube derivative 3x square, constant derivative 0, dx is equal to dt. Now from this we can write x square dx is equal to 1 by 3 dt. Substitute this value in the given question. And this is I, given integral value I, then I equals to, this is t power 1 by 3 and x cube is nothing but t plus 1 and x square dx is nothing but 1 by 3 dt. To write 1 by 3 outside, multiply, here bases are same, power should be added, here power is 1, here power is 1 by 3, that is nothing but t power 4 by 3 plus t power 1 by 3 into 1, t power 1 by 3 dt. Then I equals to 1 by 3 into, this is in the form of x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, 4 by 3 plus 1, that is nothing but 7 by 3, t power 7 by 3 by 7 by 3. Here n is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 1 by 3 plus 1, that is nothing but 4 by 3, t power 4 by 3 by 4 by 3 plus c. That equals to I equals to 1 by 3 into, if you send 7 by 3 numerator, that is 3 by 7, t power 7 by 3. Similarly 4 by 3 go to numerator, 3 by 4, t power 4 by 3. If you multiply with 3, 3 gets cancelled. Now I equals to 1 by 7 t power 7 by 3 plus 1 by 4 t power 4 by 3 plus c. Finally in place of t you can substitute x cube minus 1. Okay. Now I equals to 1 by 7 into x cube minus 1 whole power 7 by 3 plus 1 by 4 into x cube minus 1 whole power 4 by 3. If you want, you can take any value common, it is possible. Next, question number 13. Evaluate integral x square by 2 plus 3x cube whole cube dx. In this question, let 2 plus 3x cube is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. constant derivative 0 plus 3 into x cube derivative, x power n derivative, n into x power n minus dx is equal to dt. 3 3 is 9. I can write x square dx is equal to 9, come to this side 1 by 9. Now you can substitute in the question. I equals to 1 by, this is t, so t cube. X square dx is nothing but 1 by 9 dt. 1 by 9 constant, you write outside. T cube go to numerator, t power minus 3 dt. It is in the form of x power n, n means minus 3. X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus 3 plus 1, that is nothing but minus 2, by minus 3 plus 1, that is nothing but minus 2. Plus. Now this can be written as I equals to minus 1 by 18 into t power minus 2, or is nothing but 1 by t square plus c. If you substitute t value minus 1 by 18 into, in place of t I can write 2 plus 3x cube whole square plus c. Next, 14th question, I will give homework. 14th question is evaluate integral 1 by x into log x whole power m dx. This is homework. How to do? We can take log x is equal to t. Simple question. Next, 15th. Evaluate integral x by 9 minus 4x square dx. Okay. Now here it can be written as integral x by 9 minus. Here you can do this question in two methods. You can take 4 common. What will get? 9 by 4 minus x square. That is also one method. Or otherwise, this 4x square you can write 2x whole square. Okay. Or you can take, why this risk means they can take entire denominator also will be t. Okay. Let 9 minus 4x square is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. Constant derivative 0 minus 4 into x square derivative 2x dx is equal to dt minus 8 dx is equal to 8x dx dt. From this I can write x dx is equal to minus 1 by 8 dt. Substitute in the question. I equals to integral 1 by, this is t, x dx is nothing but minus 1 by 8 dt. Minus 1 by 8 constant, integration of 1 by x log mod x. Substitute t value minus 1 by 8 log mod t value is 9 minus 4x square plus. Next, 16th question. Evaluate integral e power 2x plus 3 dx. Simple question. First you take, let 2x plus 3 is equal to t. Okay, differentiate both sides with respect to x. 2x derivative 2 plus constant derivative 0 dx is equal to dt. Now dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt. Now the question is changed to I equals to integral e power 2x plus 3 is nothing but t, dx is nothing but 1 by 2 dt. 1 by 2 constant you will write outside, e power t dt. I equals to 1 by 2 into e power x integration e power x only. Finally substitute t value 1 by 2 into e power, in place of t you can write 2x plus 3 plus c, or you can apply direct method, e power x integration e power x into inner function derivative is 2, that derivative we are dividing with 2. One step you will get answer. Next, 17th question, integral x by e power x square dx. Okay, see in this question, let x square is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. X square derivative 2x dx is equal to dt. If you send to right side, x dx equals to 1 by 2 dt. This x dx is there or not? Yes. Now the question is changed to integral 1 by e power x square is nothing but t. X dx is nothing but 1 by 2 dt. Now you write 1 by 2 constant outside. 1 by e power t can be written as e power minus t dt. Now I equals to 1 by 2 e power x integration e power x by inner function minus t derivative minus 1 plus c. Then you can write I equals to minus 1 by 2 e power t plus c. Actually here minus t is there, it comes to denominator plus t. Finally substitute t value. I equals to minus 1 by 2 into e power t is nothing but x square plus c. 18th question, I am giving homework, integral e power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square dx. This is homework. So I will give the hint, let tan inverse x is equal to t. That's it. Next, question number 19. Evaluate integral e power 2x minus 1 by integral e power 2x plus 1. See, generally in substitution method, if you take denominator t, you know it is no use. If you take denominator is t, differentiate e power x derivative e power x into 2x derivative 2x dx equals to dt. But this is not present because minus 1 is there. That's why, how to do this? Okay. This numerator I can write e power x into e power x, and this 1 can be written as e power x into e power minus x, because both gets cancelled, 1 will get. Denominator also e power x into e power x minus surplus e power x into e power minus x dx. Now you can take e power x common in numerator, then e power x minus e power minus x. By denominator e power x common, e power x plus e power minus x dx. Now integral e power x minus e power minus x by e power x plus e power minus x. So this can be done in two methods. If you take denominator equals to t, correct, or you have direct formula. The derivative of denominator which is present in numerator, you check it, e power x derivative, e power x, e power minus x derivative, minus of e power minus x. So it is in the form of integration of f dash x by f of x dx. Formula log mod f of x plus c. That's why it can be written as log mod f of x is nothing but denominator, e power x plus e power minus x plus c. Okay, next 20. Question, e power 2x minus e power minus 2x by e power 2x plus e power minus 2x dx. See, you check it, this formula is possible to apply. E power x derivative e power x, again 2x derivative into 2. Into 2 is not there, that's why divide with 2, multiply with 2. You can do this question in 2-3 methods. Now check it, denominator derivative e power x derivative e power x 2x derivative 2, e power x derivative e power x minus 2x derivative minus 2. According to this formula, we can write 1 by 2 into f dash x by f of x. We can write log mod f of x. This is one method. If you didn't get idea of dividing with 2, multiply with 2, we can take substitution method. This value is equal to t. You will get same answer. Next, 21. Integral tan square 2x minus 3 dx. So in this question I can take 2x minus 3 is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. 2x derivative 2, constant derivative 0, dx is equal to dt. Now dx is equal to 1 by t dt. Now the question is changed to I equals to integral of tan square 2x minus 3 is nothing but t, and dx is nothing but 1 by 2 dt. 1 by t I'll write outside. We don't have direct formula for tan square x. That's why tan square x can be written as secant square x minus 1. Okay, now apply the formula. 1 by 2 into, what is formula for integration of secant square x? Tan x minus 1 integration t plus c. Finally substitute t value 2x minus 3. Then I equals to 1 by 2 into tan 2x minus 3 minus 2x minus 3 plus c. That is answer. Similarly, I will give one question homework. The question is secant square of 7 minus 4x. Simple question. 7 minus 4x equals to t. We have direct formula for secant square. No need to convert also. You will get answer easily. Next. 23rd. Integral sin inverse x by under root of 1 minus x square dx. Simple question. Let sin inverse x equals to t. Differentiate with respect to x. What is derivative of sin inverse x? 1 by under root of 1 minus x square dx is equal to dt. You substitute the question here. Now integral sin inverse x is nothing but t. 1 by under root of 1 minus x square dx is nothing but dt. Your power is not there, you can take 1. It is in the form of x power n. X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 is nothing but t square by 2 plus c. So finally substitute t value. Sin inverse x whole square by 2 plus C is the answer. Next question, evaluate integral 1 by cos square x into 1 minus tan x whole square dx. In this question, let 1 minus tan x is equal to t. Now differentiate with respect to x. 1 derivative 0 minus tan x derivative secant square x dx is equal to dt minus, this can be written as 1 by cos square dx is equal to dt. If you multiply both sides with minus, 1 by cos square x dx is equal to minus dt. You substitute this one in the question. So 1 by, this is t, that is nothing but t square. 1 by cos square x dx is nothing but minus dt. Then I equals to, you write minus outside, 1 by t square is nothing but t power minus 2. It is in the form of x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, t power minus 2 plus 1, that is nothing but minus 1 by minus 1 plus c. So minus minus gets cancelled. T power minus 1 is nothing but 1 by t plus c. Finally substitute t value 1 minus tan x. Then answer 1 by 1 minus tan x plus c. Next, 26. I am giving this 26 question homework. Integration cos root x by root x dx. See, in this hint, root x equals to t. You try this question. Next, 27. Integral root of sin 2x into cos 2x dx. It is also homework. So sin 2x is equal to t. It is a hint. Okay. 28. It is also homework. Same method questions. Integral cos x by under root of 1 plus sin x dx. For this 1 plus sin x is equal to t. You will get answer. Okay. So these three questions are homework. Next, 29. I will explain. Integral cot x into log sin x dx. I will explain this question. I can take log sin x is equal to t. Let log sin x is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. Log x derivative 1 by x into inner function sin derivative cos dx is equal to dt. Cos by sin, that is nothing but cot x dx is equal to dt. Substitute this condition in the given question. Now log sin x is nothing but t. Cot x dx is nothing but dt. Here power is not there, you can take 1. X power n integration, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, that is nothing but t square by 2 plus c. So finally substitute t value. Then I equals to 1 by 2 into log sin x whole square plus C is answer. Next, 30 questions homework. Evaluate integral sin x by 1 plus cos x. Okay, the hint, let 1 plus cos x is equal to t. You will get answer easily. Next, 31, also same, it is also homework. Simple questions only, you try these questions. Integral sin x by same model but square is given. Same condition, 1 plus cos x is equal to t. So, you try these 5 homework questions. Next, 32. Evaluate integral 1 by 1 plus cot x dx. So, this cot can be written as cos by sin. Integral 1 by 1 plus cos x by sin x. If you take LCM, sin x is LCM. Now it can write sin x by sin x plus cos x dx. Okay. Now this question I am divided with minus 2, multiply with minus 2, or divide with 2, multiply with 2 also, no problem. Divide with 2, multiply with 2. Okay. Now this 1 by 2 into, this can be written as cos x plus sin x minus of cos x minus sin x. You check it once, cos gets cancelled, minus of minus plus, sin 2 by denominator sin x plus cos x dx. Now you divide separately. If you divide this by this, both gets cancelled, you will get answer 1. Next, integral of here value cos x minus sin x by sin x plus cos x. It is in the form of f dash x by f of x. The derivative of denominator is present in numerator. Check it, sin derivative cos derivative minus sin. That is nothing but 1 by 2 into 1 integration x. F dash x by f of x formula already we know, log mod f of x. It is answer. Next, 33. Integral of 1 by 1 minus tan x dx. It is also same model. Tan can be written as sin by cos. Integral 1 by 1 minus sin x by cos x dx. If you take LCM, the cos x will go to numerator. Cos x by cos x minus sin x dx. For this also divide with 2, multiply with 2. 2 cos x by cos x minus sin x dx. Again, this numerator can be written as 1 by 2 into integral cos x minus sin x plus, you can take separate bracket. Now here I can write If you take sin x, see actually cos derivative minus sin, that's why sin derivative cos, plus you can take sin x plus cos x. If you take here, sin gets cancelled, but cos derivative minus sin, okay, no problem, we can do it. Cos minus sin x dx. If you have any doubt, check it. Sin cancel, cos plus cos, 2 cos. If you divide separately this by this, you will get 1, then 1 by 2 into integral 1 dx. Here if we take minus common, I can write minus of, this can be written as minus sin x minus cos x. This minus and this minus actually becomes plus. By denominator, cos x minus sin x dx. Now check it, it is in the form of f dash x by f of x, because cos derivative minus sin minus sin derivative cos, f dash x by f of x, that is nothing but 1 by 2 into 1 integration x minus of f dash x by f of x log mod f of x, log of mod cos x minus sin x plus c. Next, 34. It is important question. Integral root tan x by sin x into cos x dx. Okay, this can be written as integral root tan x by, for this, divide with cos x, multiply with cos x. Already cos is there. If you multiply with one more cos into cos, it becomes cos square. Okay, now integral tan x by sin by cos, tan x into 1 by cos square secant square dx. Okay, now root tan x into secant square x, by denominator can be written as root tan x into root tan x. Now root tan x gets cancelled. Integral secant square x by root tan x dx. Here we can do two methods. One is substitution method, one is direct formula. See here, tan derivative is secant square. Directly I am applying the formula. If you didn't get formula, you can take tan x is equal to t also, you will get answer. The formula is integral f dash of x by root f of x. This formula also I give. Tan derivative is secant square. So formula 2 root f of x plus c. That is nothing but 2 root f of x is nothing but tan x plus c is the answer for question number 34. Next, question number 35. Integral 1 plus log x whole square by x dx. So I can take 1 plus log x equals to t. Differentiate with respect to x. 1 derivative 0, log x derivative 1 by x dx is equal to dt. Now substitute this one in the given question. Now I equals to integral, this is t square, 1 by x dx is nothing but dt. X power n formula, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, that is nothing but t cube by 3 plus c. Finally substitute t value. Then I equals to 1 plus log x whole cube by 3 plus c is the answer. Next question, 36. integral x plus 1 into x plus log x whole square by x. See, this can be written as x plus 1 by x, I can write separately, into x plus log x whole square dx. If you divide x by x, 1 plus 1 by x, then x plus log x whole square dx. Let x plus log x is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. X derivative 1, log x derivative 1 by x dx is equal to dt. You substitute this one in above step. Now it can be written as this is t square. 1 plus 1 by x dx is nothing but dt. X power n formula, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, that is nothing but t cube by 3 plus c. Now 1 by 3 into t is nothing but x plus log x whole cube plus c is a correct answer. Next, 37, x cube into sin of tan inverse x power 4 by 1 plus x power 8 dx. In this question, tan inverse x plus 4 x power 4 is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. Tan inverse x derivative 1 by 1 plus x square into inner function x power 4 derivative 4x cube dx is equal to dt. You send 4 that side, then x cube by 1 plus x power 4 whole square means x power 8 dx is equal to 4 go to that side becomes 1 by 4 dt. Substitute this condition in the given question. Then I equals to 1 by 4 constant, I will write outside. This is sin t. The remaining value is 1 by 4 dt. Now I equals to 1 by 4 into sin x integration minus cos x plus c. Substitute t value, I equals to minus 1 by 4 cos of t is nothing but tan inverse of x power 4 plus c is a correct one. Next, 38, evaluate 10 into x power 9 plus 10 power x log 10 base e by x power 10 plus 10 power x dx. See, you can apply formula directly because x power n 10 x power 10 derivative is this one, 10 into x power 9, 10 power x derivative is this one. So a power x derivative, a power x into log a. If you apply direct formula, or otherwise you can take denominator t. It is in the form of f dash of x by f of x, that is nothing but log mod f of x plus c. Okay, so therefore I equals to, we can write log mod f of x is nothing but denominator, we can write x power 10 plus 10 power x plus c is the answer for question number 38. Next, 39, integral dx by sin square x cos square x. Simple question. So it can be written as integral 1 by sin square x cos square x dx. In place of 1 I can write sin square x plus cos square x, because sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. Divide separately. Now integral sin square x by sin square x cos square x dx plus integral cos square x by sin square x cos square x dx. Cos square cancel, sin square cancel. Now here 1 by cos square, that is nothing but secant square x. Here 1 by sin square is nothing but cosecant square x dx. We have direct formulas for these two. Integration of secant square x tan x, integration of cosecant square x minus cot x plus c. So tan x minus cot x plus c is the answer. Next, question number 24. Integral 2 cos x minus 3 sin x by 6 cos x plus 4 sin x. Okay. So numerator you write as it is 2 cos x minus 3 sin x, but if you take 2 common in the denominator, so first you write I am taking 2 sin x plus 3 cos x. See, this derivative is this only, check it, 2 and 2 sin derivative cos, 3 and 3 cos derivative minus sin x. So again it is in the form of same f dash x by f of x. We can write log mod f of x. That's why I can write 1 by 2 outside. 2 cos x minus 3 sin x by 2 sin x plus 3 cos x. But for all questions, common is not possible for few questions. In that question, we will explain that method in competitive. But here 2 is common, that's why simplified. Now it is f dash x by f of x log mod f of x plus c. So this is exercise 7.2. Next problems, integration by using trigonometric identities. Next, integration by using trigonometric identities. So this is the next exercise. So before going to next exercise, once again I am explaining all trigonometric identities. So first I am explaining transformation formulas first. Sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Second, sin c minus sin d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. All formulas there in first PUC. Cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Fourth, cos c minus cos d minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Fifth, or you can write 2 sin a cos b is equal to sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Sixth, 2 cos a sin b is equal to sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. Next, seventh, 2 cos A cos B is equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. 8th, minus 2 sin A sin B that is equal to cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. Next, 9th, cos square theta, it can be written as 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Sin square theta, 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Next, 11th, sin 2A, 2 sin A cos A. Next, sin 3A, 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. So from this we can derive, that implies sin cube A is equal to 3 sin A minus sin 3A by 4. Next, 13th, cos 3A, 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. That implies we can write cos cube A equals to cos 3A plus 3 cos A by 4. So dear students, you prepare these all 13 formulas for the next exercise. So these 13 formulas are useful. So you practice and come. I will continue in the next session. Thank you.